In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your Facebook Marketplace listings and sell more in under 15 minutes. Selling successfully online can seem daunting, but with a few strategic tweaks, you can make your listings stand out. Let's dive right into it. First, crafting a clear, keyword-rich title is essential. Instead of something generic like sofa for sale, aim for something descriptive and specific, such as modern gray 3-seater sofa, excellent condition, free delivery. This approach incorporates common buyer search terms, focusing on important aspects like brand, size, or condition. By doing this, your item is more likely to appear in relevant search results, catching the eye of potential buyers. Next up is the power of high-quality photos. Natural lighting is your best friend, so try capturing your items during the day when there's plenty of sunlight. Showcasing multiple angles, including front, back, side, and close-up shots, gives interested buyers a comprehensive view of your item. If possible, include a lifestyle photo. For instance, if you're selling a sofa, photograph it in a cozy living room setting. This helps buyers envision the item in their own space, which can be a powerful selling point. Having a detailed, trust-building description is also key. Be sure to mention the item's condition, whether it's like new, gently used, or has some minor scratches. Honesty is vital. Include the dimensions. These details help filter in serious buyers who are looking for something specific for their space. If there are extras such as delivery options, a warranty, or freebies, don't forget to highlight them. Transparency and thoroughness can build trust, making buyers more inclined to purchase from you. Now, let's talk pricing. Doing a bit of research on similar listings can give you a sense of the marketplace value. Pricing slightly below the average can expedite sales, making your offer more attractive to buyers. An odd pricing tactic like listing an item at $499 instead of $500 has been shown to attract more clicks and ultimately potential buyers. If your listing isn't garnering the attention you anticipated, it might be time to refresh it. Use the Renew Listing feature to push your item back up the list. Consider updating your title or swapping in a new photo. Facebook Marketplace tends to favor fresh content, so these minor updates can make a significant difference in visibility. Prompt and professional communication with potential buyers is crucial. Respond quickly to inquiries, as Facebook Marketplace tends to prioritize active sellers, giving you the edge over slower responders. Keep your messages polite and concise. Offering flexible meetup options or delivery can also help close sales faster, showing your willingness to accommodate potential buyers' needs. Lastly, a bonus tip is to share your listing in relevant Facebook groups such as yard sale or buy and sell communities. This can increase visibility, reaching an audience specifically interested in your type of item. By incorporating these tips, you can enhance your Facebook Marketplace listings, turning views into sales efficiently. Happy selling!